In today's video, I'm going to teach you fix OAuth errors in Lovable MCP setup. If you're running into OAuth issues while connecting Lovable MCP, the good news is that this is usually caused by a small setup or session problem, and in many cases, it can be fixed quickly. First, go to Lovable and verify that your current plan actually includes access to the MCP server. Lovable MCP is available in Research Preview for supported paid plans, so if your account doesn't have access, the OAuth process may fail no matter what else you try. It's a simple check, but it's important to rule this out before moving forward. Next, confirm that you're using the correct MCP server URL. The official endpoint is https://mcp-lovable.dev. If you use the wrong address or an outdated endpoint, the OAuth flow may not even start properly, so make sure that exact URL is what you're connecting to. After that, sign out of Lovable completely. This is especially helpful if you recently switched accounts or changed your password. Sign out, close your browser, and then sign back in using the correct account. This refreshes your session and helps prevent old authentication data from interfering with the new connection. Now go to your AI client, such as ChatGPT or Claude, open the connector settings, remove the existing Lovable MCP server, and save the changes. This step clears out expired or broken OAuth tokens that may be attached to the old connection. Once that's done, reconnect the MCP server using the official Lovable URL. When the client prompts you to authenticate, start the OAuth process again. During the authorization flow, sign into your Lovable account, review the permissions being requested, and then click Authorize or Allow. One important tip here is to keep the browser window open until the process finishes. Closing it too early can interrupt the redirect and leave the connection incomplete. If the OAuth page won't load or authentication never finishes, check your browser settings. Make sure cookies are enabled, allow pop-ups for Lovable, and temporarily disable any extensions that block redirects or scripts. You can also try using a private or incognito window, since that often bypasses extension or cache-related issues. You should also verify network access. Firewalls, VPNs, and corporate security tools can block OAuth requests. Try another internet connection, temporarily disable your VPN, or test from a different device. If it works somewhere else,